Okay, so today we'll be tying the popular northern head tie. I think some people call it Zahra Buhari'S Headtie. Rookie Mama to ties this head tie. If you're familiar with these people, you would know what I am trying to get. Now I forgot the head tie to this material, so I got something that looks like it, and this is what it is. It's this small. First things first, you have your rectangular or square or however the shape is, you have it. So you'd fold it this way. This is the way you fold it. I am not happy that I forgot the head tie, but we'll make do of what we have. So you turn it this way, once, just once, good, and put it up on your hair just once, the way I turned it. So you see what I'm doing? Do you see? Good. It's not the attire. I hope it gives me what I want. So you tie it the normal way you tie your tie at the back. Just tie it. Do you see? That's good. So after tying, you have this too, definitely. So you just want to bring this one forward and put it in. Bring this one forward. If you want to see another tutorial on what I have just done now, let me know. If you did not get what I just did, let me know. Let me remove it back. You see, after tying it at the back, you get this too. Okay, let me go in with the smaller one first, then you put it in. Okay, then make sure you are not having it like this. No, make it look nice. Good. You put it in. Nicely, not just anyhow. So you want to go on with adjustments. You don't just make your tie look anyhow. You go on with adjustments. Then you pick it. You see what I just did? Good. This way. Make sure your hair looks neat underneath. Good. Then you go up a bit. Good. Anything at the back you can leave if you want, but I'd like to fold it. Yes, just so it looks nice. And there you have it. You can still move it forward if you really want to look like that northern. You can still move it. It's not hard. It's this simple. It's not hard. Can you see? You can gel your hair on this side if you want to, but it's not complete. Wait for it. You see this? Good. You can put it on like this. Okay, nice. And then if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. You can let me know whatever it is you think I should add up, or let me know what video you want to see next. But until next time,